students, good morning. Today we will discuss the chapter 3 of Mathematics Standard 4. We discuss the chapter number 3, that is Roman numbers. You see, we use some numbers to count. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. How many numbers? Up to 9 and 0 also. There are 10 numbers we use. But you see, if somebody asks you, in which class are you reading? What are you saying? I am reading in standard 4. How it is how we are writing? Standard 4. That is, you are writing like this. This is standard 4. That is, here I and V. This type of number system is known as Roman numbers. In Hindu Arabic system, we use 10 digits. 10 digits. In Roman numerals, we use 7 symbols. These are, first is I, V, X, L, C, D and M. These 7 symbols are used in Roman numerals. I stands for 1. You see in your book, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500 and M stands for 1000. Okay. Now you have to remember these numbers. I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500 and M means 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 symbols. Now we discuss some rules for writing Roman numbers. You see, the first rule, when certain Roman symbols are repeated in succession, the value of the numeral is obtained by multiplying the value of the symbol by the number of times it is repeated. That means, if we will write a symbol, suppose I, we will write 3 times. That is, its value is, I means 1. How many times? 3 times, that is 3. If we will write X 2 times, if we will write X 2 times, that is equal to, X means 10 into 2 is 20. Next, I am telling again the first rule, when certain Roman symbols are repeated. These are repeated in succession, one by one after one. The value of the numerals obtained by multiplying the value of symbols by the number of symbols. Value of symbol X is 10, number of x is 2, so the value is 20. Okay. Now see the book example. Next rule, no Roman symbols is repeated more than 3 times. That is, we are not using the symbols more than 3 times. Suppose we are not writing for I. We maximum write 3 times. Maximum 3 times, not more than these 3 numbers. We are not writing x 4 times. We are writing maximum 3 times. Okay. The second point is the VLD. You see, VLD. V means 5, L means 50, D means 500. Are never repeated. Are never repeated. These symbols are never repeated. We are, suppose we have to write 11. We are not writing this type. This is wrong, because V is a symbol which is not repeated, but I, X, C and M, these symbols are, we can repeat these symbols again and again. Okay. The rules again I am telling. The symbols V, L, D are never repeated. V, L, D are not repeated. The repeated symbols are I, X, C and M. Okay. Now next rule, if a symbol is written on the right of one of greater values, we add its value to the value of symbol on the left. If a symbol is written on the right of the greater value, suppose a value, a symbol is x. If we will write another symbol on the right, so the value of x is 10, value of v is 5, so the total value is 15. xv means 15. That means if a symbol is written on the right of one of greater value, we add its value to the value of the symbol on the left. Suppose there is a symbol V, we will write a 1, the value of this is, value of V is 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. Suppose we will write V double I. V, value of V is 5, there are 2 number of i's, so the value of 2i is 2, that is equal to 7. Okay. Suppose we will write x v I. The value of 2x is 20, the value of v is 5, the value of 3i is 3 equal to 28. 5, 3, 8, 20, 28. The value of xvii is, the value of x is 10, value of v is 5, there are 2 i's equal to 2, The sum is 17. So the value of XVII is 17. Okay. Next rule, if a symbol is written on the left of one of greater value, we subtract its value from the value of the symbol on the right. ठीक opposite. Here if we will write on the symbol on the right side, to get the value we add, if the symbol is before, for example I is before V, so the value is 5 minus 1 because I is before the greater number. So value of V is 5, subtract 1, the value is 4. Likewise Ix, I before x means 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay. Likewise, next rule, a Roman symbol of smaller value can be placed before another of greater value only once. Here we cannot write 2I before V. You see, this is wrong. Why we cannot write only one time the smaller number before the greater number, only one time. Here two times, so it is wrong. The rule is a Roman symbol of smaller value can be placed before another of greater value only once. Next, the symbol V is never subtracted. Symbol V is never subtracted. That means V cannot be used before any greater number. L and D are not written to the left of a greater number. L and D are not written. L and D are not written to the left of a greater number. Did you understood? L and D cannot be written before a greater number. Rule 3. If a symbol of smaller value is written between two numerals of greater value, we subtract it from the symbol on its right. Subtract the value from the symbol on the right. Okay.